Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you're not subscribed to channel, please subscribe and support us. So this video is all about how to fix your echo dot third generation distortion voice. So here is a video, guys. It's actually I have an Alexa echo dot 3 third generation, but what happens is actually there's sometimes over the time, right? Because sometimes I used to play the speakers very loudly. Not sure for some reason. So what happened? So it started giving me some kind of distortion voice. Okay, whenever I asked Alexa, so it was showing the distortion voice. Sorry, actually, I was not able to record the what was the distortion noise it's all about. But I'll tell you like what I've done to fix it. Okay, here it is. How it is. Okay, for example, so before removing, I'm showing. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. Okay, and okay, so it will be like this, guys. Okay, and it's also working. Okay, I don't face any problem. So basically what you need to do is actually you need to have this screwdriver set. Okay, so this screwdriver set, okay, maybe I'll leave link in the description below. For example, if you are in India, I can buy it. Okay, so what I have done is, okay, take this one. Here how it is, guys. Okay, you just need to tap it like it's just a sticker. They fixed it. Okay, take it out like that. After that, actually you have to remove the screws. Okay, I already removed it, this kind of screws. Okay, but it's so after I remove, right, actually I found there's some problem here. So what happens is actually here there was a rupture. Okay, there was a little hole in the speaker. So because of that, I'm able to hear I'm getting that distortion voice. Yeah, because of this dot, right, I was checking over all the places. Okay, whenever there is a rupture or some kind of hole in your this kind of speaker structure, so we'll start getting the distorted voice. Okay, so what you can do is you can have this is actually safe, guys, actually, when compared to this rubber based adhesives, because it's just an water based adhesive so I just put it like for example here like this, where so that I can just close that rupture. Okay, so then I didn't use immediately. Okay, because this is the adhesive actually, which will take, like for example, to dry it out, right, actually it will take like a fair amount of the time. Usually it will take some kind of 6 to 7 hours, or 3 to 4 hours maybe, but I left it for entire night. Okay, after applying, so then I check it. Okay, so I can check it right now also. It's playing very well. I don't face any kind of distorted noise. Alexa, how are you doing?
I'm doing well and hope you are too.
Alexa, can you play some sound?
Here's a station you might like, Top Bollywood on Amazon Music.
Alexa, you guys, if you could see, right, this is the reason behind this
Sorry,
kind of the
I'm not
issues with
sure.
them. Alexa, stop. Okay, just let's fix it back again. I remove the power plug. Okay, use the screws. Let's have to find the right. This is the one. Actually, the pH2 I found it's a fit properly. This pH2. Okay. Because if you could see right, this one. So I'm just actually this screwdriver actually really nice guys actually because it's a magnetic screwdriver. Look guys, I could able to catch the screws. Okay. Since I already have this Echo dot 3 right, I'm planning to buy Echo dot 4 because I already have an video actually which is viral. It's all about how to use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So I'll leave in the iCard, so you can please check it out. Okay, how to connect your Echo to your phone or Bluetooth. Okay, so that's all guys. It's just a sticker, so I didn't need to do anything. Just okay, that's all. Let's connect back again. Alexa, can you play Selena Gomez songs?
Shuffling songs by Selena Gomez on Amazon Music.
Yes, guys, it started working. Alexa, stop. Yeah, that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. I'll leave link in the description below. For example, if you wanted to buy, if you're in India and if you want to buy Echo Dot or anything like that. That's all about it, guys. So please like this video and please share with your friends if they are having any problems with Echo Dot. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.